Hi, everyone, and welcome to Hello English, the podcast where we make learning English warm, simple, and fun. Today's topic is one of my favorites, how to have a conversation at a restaurant.
Oh, that's great. I love going out to eat. But sometimes I don't know what to say in English.
Don't worry, John. We'll fix that today. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to order food, ask for the bill, and even make small talk with the waiter, all in English. Let's start at the beginning. You enter a restaurant. What's the first thing you say to the host or waitress?
Maybe, hello?
Exactly. You can say, "Hi, a table for two, please." Or, "Good evening. We'd like a table for four."
Can I also say, we want a table for two?
You can, but "we'd like" sounds politer. "We want" is a little strong, is better for kids than restaurants.
Got it. I'll sound polite, not hungry and bossy.
Perfect. And if there's a wait, the host might say, "It'll be about 10 minutes. You can answer, "That's okay, we'll wait."
Or maybe, no problem?
Yes, that's great too. Always keep it friendly. It sets a nice tone for the meal. Okay, now you're at your table. The waiter comes and asks, "Can I get you something to drink?" What do you say?
Yes, water, please.
Excellent. You can also say, "Just water for me, thanks." Or, "I'll have a lemonade, please." Or, "Could I get a coffee?"
I hear that a lot in movies.
Yes, "I'll have" means "I want," but it sounds polite and natural. You can use it when ordering anything, food or drinks.
So, I'll have a steak, please?
Exactly. You sound like a real customer now. Now let's look at the menu. How do you ask the waiter for recommendations?
Maybe, what's good here?
Perfect. Or you can say, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's your most popular dish?"
And if I don't understand something on the menu?
You can ask, "What's in this dish?" Or, "Could you tell me what that comes with?"
What about vegetarian options?
Great question. You can say, "Do you have any vegetarian dishes?" Or, "Is there a vegetarian option?"
I'm learning fast. Maybe I'll survive in an English restaurant.
I'm sure you will. And remember to say please and thank you. Politeness is the secret ingredient of English dining. So the food arrives. What can you say when the waiter brings it?
Thank you?
Exactly. You can also say, "That looks great," or "It smells amazing."
But what if it doesn't look great?
Then you just smile and say, "Thank you," and maybe don't go back next time.
Good strategy.
Also during the meal, if you need something, you can say, "Excuse me, could we get some more water?" Or, "Could I have some ketchup, please?"
Is it okay to call the waiter, like in movies?
In real life, it's better to say, "Excuse me." It sounds much more polite, and waiters appreciate it.
Sometimes waiters talk to me as like, how's everything? What should I answer?
You can say, "It's really good, thank you," or "Everything's perfect," or even "It's delicious."
And if it's not?
Then say something polite but neutral, like, "It's okay, thank you," or "It's fine, thanks."
Not, this is terrible?
Only if you never want to come back. So you finished your meal. How do you ask for the bill?
Can I pay?
You could say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I get the check, please?"
Oh, so bill and check mean the same thing.
Yes, bill is more British. Check is American. Both are fine.
I'll use bill. Sounds easier to say after dessert.
Good choice. Finally, when you pay, you might want to leave a tip. In the US, people usually leave around 15 to 20%. But in the UK or Argentina, it can be less.
So if the bill is $40, I should leave about $8?
Exactly. And you can say, "Keep the change." If you're paying cash, or "Can I add a tip to the card?"
Great. I'll remember that next time.
So today, you learned how to order food, drinks, and ask for the bill, all with confidence.
Yes, and how not to say waiter too loudly.
Exactly. Practice these phrases, and next time you go to a restaurant, you'll sound just like a local.
Thanks, Helen.
You're welcome, John, and thank you everyone for listening to Hello English. See you next time, and keep speaking English with confidence and joy.